So today I've got with me here is the Mi Band 7, the successor of Mi Band 6. To be honest, it looks like the Mi Band 6. Of course, if you look up close, the watch face is different. It's for the new Mi Band 7 to differentiate, but if you like just wearing it, nobody would notice it. The screen size is a bit bigger than the Mi Band 6, 25% more at 1.6 inches. AMOLED, of course. It's having the same quality strap, same everything. Even the charging port at the back side is the same. So you can use your Mi Band 5 and 6 charging cable in this watch. The next thing I found is the battery life. They state, just as in the Mi Band 6, 14 days of battery life, but of course when you're going to turn off all the sensor functions, in this case I have turned everything on 24 hours, including the heart rate sensor, the SpO2, the quality sleep analysis, and of course the always on display, even in the night when I'm sleeping. So it lasted me about nearly 6 days, just a bit less than the Mi Band 6 which I had. I made a review about that also last year. And there's nothing much to it to the Mi Band 7 other than the screen enlargement. There is also software wise 110 plus watch faces and 100 plus sports mode to track your activity. Plus it does also have a 580 AM waterproof resistance. I'm pretty sure that was there also for the Mi Band 6. I don't know if you guys want to buy the Mi Band 7 if you got the Mi Band 6. My recommendation is it's not a huge leap from 6 to 7 unless if you're really interested in purchasing the most latest tech to show off. Otherwise I would recommend you guys to wait for the Mi Band 7 Pro, which definitely is the first Pro models Xiaomi is going to be releasing. Mi Band 7 Pro, or wait for the Mi Band 8. Maybe it will be somewhat better specs than the Mi Band 7. Well, what do you guys think about the Mi Band 7? If you have purchased it over the Mi Band 6, did you regret buying it or worth purchasing it? Comment below. And to buy this Mi Band 7, affiliate link in the description below. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one.